Damn it, why did I do that? So I'm going to do a quick voiceover here in the beginning. This is a workbench that I'm building. It's a Paul Sellers Woodworking Workbench. I didn't actually record the beginnings of the workbench where I made the top there. I did record it, but I used an old GoPro, which was really bad quality. It had that fisheye lens, and so I'm not going to use that footage. So here I'm showing all the hand tools that I'm using. It's all hand tools, no power tools. I did use power tools to cut down the wood initially. I use a table saw. So it's all dimensional lumber from Home Depot. And I use the table saw to cut off the rounded edges. Other than that, it's all hand tools that I'm using. So here you can see some of the legs and rails that I made. And for the mortise and tenon, which is the hole in the slotted wood, I used a chisel and then a hand plane and a hand saw to cut down the tenons. And then I'm going to use the hand plane to shave it down to the final thickness, final dimension to get it fitted into the mortise hole. And the worktop, the Woodbench worktop, is not yet fastened down to anything, obviously. What I did is I laminated the worktop with 2x4s, glued them together, clamped them, left them overnight, and now this is just sitting on top of my metal brake and a sawhorse that I made. Ooh, what is going on there? Not flat. These blue. So here I'm using a shoulder plane to clean up the inside of the tenon. Shoulder plane has the advantage you can get right up into a corner, a 90-degree corner. You can go on both sides. So this is a number 4 smoothing plane. I got it from Rockler, the woodworking store. So this is a Bench Dog number 4 smoothing plane, and it too needs to be sharpened. Here I'm just taking it apart to see if I can see what's going on. It's basically not shaving, it's plowing, or it's just not working right. And so looking at the plane iron to see what I can do. I really need to take it to the diamond plates and just sharpen it up. The problem is I can't get a flat edge because it's not flat on the back, and so there's a lot of material to remove, and I've struggled with trying to get it flat. So I think what I'm going to do is ultimately switch to a different plane, one that's better tuned and better sharpened. So this is a Bench Dog 3-in-1 bullnose plane. I had to shave down these two posts, these nubs. They protruded out when I tried to plane on the side. It was digging in and causing a basically an uneven surface. They just barely protruded. So I used a file to take them down. I actually used the Leatherman file, the Leatherman arc. Let's see, where is this rail tenon? This is more area than this, so I'm going to take some off the top. Jeez. There's nothing catching, just the blade. Look at that. Beautiful. I guess I could glue that back, but that's why you don't go all the way through. And that's why you should have sharp blades. That's what happens when you go too fast and don't have the right prepared tools. Not sure this will hold, but who cares? It's worth a shot. Titebond 2 Premium, Home Depot special. I think that's pretty popular. I see that online. Used a lot. This time I will mark the correct side so I don't take off from the wrong side. This Wood River is way better than that bench dog. At least in terms of blade sharpness. Actually, I think I'm taking off too much too fast. Damn it. This guy is twisted just a little bit. It's driving me nuts. And it's because one of the tenons on this is not even. I gotta find out which one it is. The other one went so easy. Close, maybe. Hammer it the rest of the way in and see. Oh, much easier that time. Damn it, why did I do that? That was stupid. I knew I should have done that. Is it gonna work? Not really sure. Well, that one's done for today.